Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. Children, today we read about magnets. So children, open your book and see page number 175. Children, from this chapter we will discuss about magnets, poles of a magnet, magnetic and non-magnetic materials, magnetic compass, magnetic induction. Okay. So what is magnet? A magnet is a piece of iron, nickel or cobalt that can attract iron containing objects. This property of magnet is called magnetism. The word magnet originated from a Greek word magnes. Lithos, that means lodestone or leading stone, as the magnets are used to determine the directions. Then discovery of magnets. There are many legends about the discovery of magnets. Most commonly known is that of an elderly shepherd named Magnus, who lived in a place called Magnesia in northern Greece about 4000 years ago. Once Magnus was hardening his sheep and goats in the nearby mountains. The nails in his shoes and the metal tip of his stick got stuck to the large black rock on which he was standing. He had to pull hard to free his stick from the rock. The rock was a natural magnet and the stick was attached or attracted to it. Such type of magnetic rock were named magnetite. Perhaps after either Magnesia or Magnus himself, if a long piece of this stone, that is magnetite, was suspended freely, it came to rest in the north-south direction. This property was useful in finding out the direction. It was therefore later named lodestone, which means the leading stone. Later on artificial magnets were made from iron pieces. Nowadays magnets are made in different shapes such as rectangular bar, cylindrical bar, U-shaped or horse-shaped and dumbbell shaped. Then magnetic and non-magnetic materials. The materials that are easily attracted by a magnet are known as magnetic materials. For example, iron, cobalt, nickel, steel. Okay, and the materials that are not attracted by a magnet are known as non-magnetic materials. For example, stainless steel, wood, glass. Okay. Then comes to poles of a magnet. Children, you know a magnet has two poles, and that shows the power of the magnet is the strongest at the two ends, North Pole and South Poles. Then comes to magnetic compass. A device called magnetic compass was developed based on its property of magnets. A magnetic compass consists of a magnetized needle pivoted inside a small box with a glass cover on it. The magnetic compass has a dial on which directions are marked. The magnetized needle, when comes to rest, indicates that the north-south direction. The north pole of a magnetized needle is always pointed in a different color for easy identification. To find the direction of a place, the magnetic compass is taken to that place. The needle of the compass starts rotating till the painted end reaches north marked on the compass. This indicates that the direction in which the place is located. Children, on cutting of magnet into two, each half becomes a complete magnet. This means on cutting the magnet from the middle, you get a new pair of north and south pole at the broken ends, such that each broken piece is a complete magnet. Now, if you further break these pairs into two, even each piece will be a complete magnet. If you continue this process, you will get smaller and smaller magnets, each with a north pole and a south pole. Okay. The magnetic induction. When an unmagnetized iron piece is brought closer to a magnet repeatedly, the iron piece becomes a magnet. This is known as magnetic induction. There are several methods of making magnets from iron piece. The simplest method is by stroking the iron piece with a magnet. So children, you see yourself how to prepare magnet and also make your own magnetic compass. Then few questions are there that we should remember. First one is, they should not be heated, harmed or dropped from a height. A bar magnet should be kept in pair with opposite poles on the same side. They must be separated by a piece of wood and two pieces of soft iron should be placed across their ends as shown. For a horse-shaped magnet, a piece of iron should be kept across its poles. Magnets should be kept away from all the electronic devices. These questions we should remember. Okay. So children, this is the chapter of magnets. You read yourself properly. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.